Gardening is more than just planting seeds. It's a pathway to enhanced mental resilience. Engaging with nature provides a unique therapeutic experience that can significantly improve your mental well-being. The act of gardening encourages mindfulness, allowing you to focus on the present moment as you dig, plant, and nurture. This hands-on engagement reduces stress levels, lowers anxiety, and promotes a sense of peace. Moreover, tending to a garden can foster a sense of accomplishment and purpose. Watching your plants grow and thrive instills a feeling of success, which is vital for building resilience against life's challenges. The physical activity involved in gardening also releases endorphins, which can elevate your mood and combat feelings of depression. In addition, being outdoors and connecting with nature can enhance cognitive function, giving your mind the fresh air and stimulation it needs. Forming a gardening community further amplifies these effects, providing social support and shared joy. As you immerse yourself in this rewarding hobby, you not only cultivate plants, but also strengthen your mental fortitude, making it an essential practice for holistic health and well-being.